All right, let's look at a couple of quiz questions. All right, so the program snippet above is syntactically correct. Yes or no? Let's see. So number equal to 10. So this is just a simple variable assignment. Looks correct. And then this statement is an if statement. If number greater than 0, and then there is a print statement. The indentation looks correct. The print statement also looks correct. There is an opening parenthesis, closing parenthesis, and then the string is there. What about this if statement? Should it be a colon or a comma? If you go up, you'll see that all of the if statements have a colon, right? So if statement, if block should always be ended with a colon. But over here, there is a comma, right? So is it correct? No, it's not correct. So the answer is false. Let's see. The answer is false. So that's correct. It's not true. You should be at least 18 years to vote. What should be the expression be in the if statement, this if statement, that will print that the person can vote? Basically, what should be the expression here that will make the if statement go inside the block and then print can vote? Now the condition here is the person must be at least 18 years to vote. Okay. Age, we already defined the age variable here. Age greater than 18. Well, at least 18. So should it be greater than 18 or greater than equal to 18? Well, anything 18 or above, right? That's what at least means. So it should be age greater than or equal to. So this statement is correct. Age greater than or equal to 18. So this is wrong, this is wrong. Okay. Next question. Let's see, what is the output of the above program? Age equals 23. If the age is equal to greater than or equal to 18, then it should print can vote. If it is greater than or equal to 21, then it should print can drink. Well, how will this if statement be executed? Now 23 is greater than or equal to 18, right? So that means this is true. It's also greater than or equal to 21. That means this is also true. So this is the correct answer. Okay, next. What is the output of the program above? Age is 9. Okay, so if age greater than or equal to 18, already is it? No, this is false. So this statement will not be executed. Else, okay, if age is not equal to 8, greater than or equal to 18, so yeah, it comes into the else part. If age greater than or equal to 10, is it? It's just 9. So this is also not executed, and this will be executed, right? So if you are just 9 years old, you can't vote, you can't go get a girlfriend or a boyfriend, all you can do is go watch cartoons, right? So what is the output of the above program? Go watch cartoons. Okay. When will the output go drink ever print? Question says, will this ever be printed given this age? Okay, let's see. Age equal to 19. Okay, age greater than 18? Yes, so this will print. Age greater than or equal to 21? No, because it's 19, so this will not be printed. So the answer is no.